Once upon a time, a little girl named Alice sat on the riverbank with her sister, feeling quite bored. Her sister was reading a book, but Alice saw no pictures or conversations in it, so it didn't seem too interesting. To her surprise, a white rabbit rushed by, muttering something about being late. What caught Alice's attention was that the rabbit took a pocket watch from his waistcoat pocket. Feeling curious, Alice decided to follow the rabbit down a rabbit hole, not knowing at all what exciting adventure was waiting for her below. As she fell down, down, and down, the fall seemed to go on forever. While tumbling, she passed shelves and cupboards filled with curious objects. Eventually, she landed softly on a pile of leaves and found herself in a wonderland. Alice wandered through this strange new place, encountering all sorts of peculiar characters. Who could forget the hookah-smoking caterpillar who gave Alice some cryptic advice? Or the smiling Cheshire Cat whose grin remained even after its body disappeared? And then there was the maddening Mad Hatter, always having a tea party but never quite finding the time. In Wonderland, things didn't always make sense. Alice found herself growing taller and shorter in the span of moments, participating in the most absurd court case with the Queen of Hearts. She tried to play croquet with flamingos and hedgehogs. Throughout her adventures, Alice learned to embrace the unexpected and found courage in the most confusing situations. No logic applied in Wonderland, which taught her to think in a myriad of ways and to question not only the curious characters around her but herself as well. Finally, when things became too bizarre, Alice woke up. She found herself back beside her sister on the riverbank. It was just a dream, or was it? Though she was relieved to be back in her world, Alice couldn't quite forget Wonderland and the incredible things she saw and the feelings she experienced there. And so, with a head full of dreams, Alice went on living her life, always ready for the next adventure that might come her way.